This is Edgar with GoGira, and I want to show you our dashboard. We're getting a lot of questions on how it all works and why we say it's so easy. So I just want to show you a little bit of the inner workings so you can get an idea of what to expect when you sign up. Here on the left, you get the total number of views. This will show you the number of tours that you want to see per page, the total of active and inactive tours. You can always activate or inactivate tours here, and it'll show reflected right away here. This is how many tours you have left in your plan. It's showing unlimited because we have a great deal on unlimited plans now, and it's not going to last long. So I would suggest you sign up as soon as you can, because if you get an unlimited plan, that means you have an unlimited plan for life. Down here, you can always upgrade. So if you have a free plan and you want to upgrade to our unlimited plan, you can just click here and it'll take you to the upgrade. Then it'll show you all of the tours down here. This is number of views per tour. This is our sample page, so it doesn't show a lot of views, but it also shows you how to see the tour, how to share it, how to edit it, and if you ever wanted to delete it, you could do it here. So I'll show you what I mean. So when I click view the tour, this is a dealership we're working on, and to give you an idea, okay, you can go back. This is how to share the tour. The middle one says MLS because here in Texas, there's a special requirement for realtors that when they upload to the MLS, there can be no branding on it. So this takes care of it automatically for you. I know there's a lot of states that require the same thing. So we just made a button that you can just share right away and upload that link into your MLS, and you don't need to worry about those requirements. Then you can just edit at any time, which means you can go in and make changes to that tour, and you, like I mentioned, you can delete it at any time. So go and sign up, try it for free. If you don't have a camera or you don't have anywhere to shoot right now, we will send you some images and a tour for you to play with so you can see how easy it is. And in the next video, we'll show you how to create a tour and add photos so that you guys can play around a little bit more with the platform.